Charles Darwin, the famous evolutionist, proposed his theory in which one of his book? चार्ल्स डार्विन द फेमस एवोल्यूशनिस्ट, एवोल्यूशनरी नहीं होता ना, उसी तरीके से जो एवोल्यूशनरी, जो एवोल्यूशन का जो स्टडी करता है वो एवोल्यूशनिस्ट होता है, एवोल्यूशनिस्ट। प्रपोज हिज थ्योरी इन विच वन ऑफ हिज बुक्स? तो दैट इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ स्पेसीज, द ओरिजिन ऑफ स्पेसीज। Darwin published The Origin of Species in 1859. Darwinism is the theory of biological evolution developed by the English naturalist Charles Darwin 1809 to 1882 and others, stating that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small inherited variations that increase the individual ability to compete, survive and reproduce। क्या इन्होंने क्या किया कि डार्विन पब्लिश द ओरिजिन ऑफ स्पेसीज इन 1859। डार्विनिज्म इज द थ्योरी ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल एवोल्यूशन। एवोल्यूशन मीन्स द हाउ द थिंग्स develop, how the thing progress, that is evolution। Biological evolution developed by the English naturalist Charles Darwin 1809 to 1882 and others, stating that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small inherited variances that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive and reproduce। The mutation theory was proposed by Hugo D. Bryce। The mutation theory was proposed by Hugo D. Bryce। The sudden occurrence in the organism or change in a DNA, the sudden occurrence in the organism or change in a DNA sequence, mutation can result from DNA copying mistake made during cell divisions or exposure to ionizing radiations। Mutation theory was given by the Dutch botanist and geneticist Hugo D. Bryce 1901 to 1903। Who developed the theory of evolution? Charles Darwin। Charles Darwin developed the theory of evolution। The theory of evolution by natural selection, first formulated in Darwin's book The Origin of Species in 1859, is the process by which organisms change over time as a result of change in heritable physical or behavioral traits। Natural selection acts on biodiversity, due to which only the most adapted organisms live in the environment and the remaining organisms die। The era is also known as the age of mammals। The era is also known as the age of mammals। Cenozoic era is known as the age of mammals। The Cenozoic era is known as the age of mammals, beginning about 66 million years ago and extending to the present, known for the age of mammals, because the extinction of many group of giant mammals, allowing smaller species to thrive and diversify because their predators no longer existed। Predators mean the poacher, the hunter। Predator means who eat prey, who find prey is predators, no longer existed। The Cenozoic era is generally divided into three periods: the Paleogene 66 million to 23 million year ago, Neogene 23 million year to 2.6 million year ago, and the Quaternary 2.6 million year ago to the present। The theory that dinosaurs were driven to extinction by the aftermath of a large asteroid impact on Earth was given by the Louis Elbridge Louis Elvers, the theory was the theory that dinosaurs were driven to extinction by the aftermath of a large asteroid impact on Earth was given by Louis Elvers. The Louis Elvers hypothesis posits that the mass extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs, and many other living things during the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event was caused by the impact of large asteroid on Earth. Which of the following is vestigial organ? Which of the following is vestigial organ? The appendix. The appendix is a vestigial organ. Appendix is a vestigial organ. Vestigiality is the retention during the process of evolution of genetically determined structure or attributes that have lost some or all of the ancestral function in a given species. Useless body part, otherwise known as vestigial organs, are remnants of lost functions that our ancestors possessed. About 100 recessive organs are found in human beings. Appendix, hair on the skin, caudate, veins, etc. The phrase survival of the fittest as a way of describing the mechanism of natural selection was coined by. The phrase survival of the fittest. The phrase survival of the fittest as a way of describing the mechanism of natural selection was coined by Herbert Spencer. Herbert Spencer 1820 to 1893, 1820 to 1903, was an English philosopher who initiated a philosophy called social Darwinism. He coined the term survival of the fittest 7 years before Darwin's publication of his theory of natural history, The Origin of Species, in 1859. Which person is called Darwin of the 20th century? Which person is the called Darwin of 20th century? Ernst Mayr. Ernst Mayr, the Harvard University evolutionary biologist who has been called the Darwin of the 20th century. He joined Harvard Faculty of Arts and Science in 1963 and retired in 1975. He promoted the hypothesis of Darwin. Development of different type of species in a given geographical area start from one place and virtually transmit to other geographic area. It is called adaptable. It is called adaptive radiation. Development of different type of species in given geographical area start from one place and virtually transmit to other geographic area location. It is called adaptive radiation. इम्पोर्टेंट है 2020 में CPO में आया है कि डेवलपमेंट ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ स्पेसीज इन अ गिवन जियोग्राफिकल एरिया start from one place and virtually transmit to other geographic area. It is called adaptive radiation. Development of different type of species in a given geographical area start from one place and virtually transmit to other geographic area location. It is called adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation is a process in which organisms diversify rapidly from an ancestral species into a multitude of new forms. A new change in the environment makes new resources. Alter biotic interaction create new environmental nice impact to adaptive radiation of a particular geographical area. Which of the following is famous fossil site in India where a full-fledged skeleton of a dinosaur was found? Which of the following is famous fossil site? Which of the following is a famous fossil site in India where a full-fledged skeleton of a dinosaur was found? That is बदामना महाराष्ट्र. बड़ाधामना महाराष्ट्र. बाढ़धामना महाराष्ट्र. Bardhamna, Maharashtra is a famous fossil site in India where a full-fledged skeleton of a dinosaur was found. Dinosaur was belonged to Mesozoic era. Who among the following suggests that life must have developed from simple inorganic molecule? That is J.B.S. Haldane. J.B.S. Haldane, British scientist, suggests in 1929 that life must have developed from the simple inorganic molecule which were present on Earth soon after it was formed. Which of the following belong to the family of Hominidae? Man. Among the following men belong to the family of Hominidae. Modern man is known with Homo sapiens sapiens. Now we study about taxonomy. Taxonomy is the structure of the skeletal system, the human body, etc. Binomial nomenclature was founded by, that is Carl Linnaeus. In taxonomy, binomial nomenclature, also called binary nomenclature, is a formal system of naming species of living things by giving each a name composed of two parts, both of which use Latin grammatical forms, although they can be based on words from other languages. The first part of the name, the generic name, genes, and second part, the specific name, species. The adoption of biologists of a system of strictly binomial nomenclature is due to Swedish botanist and physician Carl Linnaeus 1707 to 1778. It was in Linnaeus 1753 species Plantarum that consist of one genes and one species name. Five kingdom classification was proposed by Whittaker. Five kingdom classification was proposed by Whittaker. The five kingdom classification was proposed by Whittaker in 1969. He classified all organisms into five categories: Monera, Protista, Plant, Fungi, and Animalia. Five kingdom classification was proposed by Whittaker. कौन कौन से में प्रपोज किया था? एक तो मोनेरा कैटेगरी में रखा है इन्होंने, फिर प्रोटेस्टा, फिर प्लांट, फिर फंगी, फिर एनिमेलिया. Which of the following is in Monera group? That is bacteria. Bacteria is belong to Monera group. Bacteria is found in Monera group. In 1969, Whittaker classified five kingdom classification. Monera, five kingdom कौन कौन से हैं? You must remember that five kingdoms name: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plant, and Animalia. So if you want to make a trick, you should make that trick like that. Like that. Papa FM चला दो, या पापा FM, ठीक है. या आप इससे ऐसा बना सकते हो जैसे कि मैप. जैसे मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि MP फॉरेस्ट प्लांट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आप ऐसे बना सकते हो मैप. ये चला गया मैप में. मैप क्या बनाएगी ट्रिक बताओ। एफ एम एफ आप फ्रॉड मिनिस्टर। हाँ, आप ऐसे बना सकते हो, आम आदमी पार्टी है ना, तो ऐसे बना सकते हो आप, आपके फ्रॉड मिनिस्टर, आपके फ्रॉड मिनिस्टर। आम आदमी पार्टी है ना, आम आदमी पार्टी, मतलब ये भी नहीं बन रहा सही से। तो आप इतना बस याद रखें कि पापा एफएम, पापा एफएम सही रहेगा, पापा एफएम। तो पी फॉर प्रोटेस्टा, पी फॉर प्लांट, ए फॉर एनिमिलिया, एफ फॉर फंगी, एम फॉर मोनेरा, एम फॉर मेनेरा, पापा एफएम। द मेन कैरेक्टर और क्राइटेरिया ऑफ द 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन बर सेल स्ट्रक्चर, body organization, mode of nutrition and reproduction, and polygenetic relationship. Protista, the single-celled eukaryotes, fungi, fungus, and related organism. Plants, animalia, the animals, monera, the prokaryotes. Which of the following statement is correct? Fungi do not perform photosynthesis. Yes, it is correct. Fungi do not perform photosynthesis. Monera are multicellular. No, Monera are single cellular. Monera is a unicellular. Uni मतलब single. Monera is a unicellular organism. In this kingdom contains prokaryotic cells without molecules. Which of the following statement is correct? That is, fungi do not perform photosynthesis. Monera is a unicellular organism. In this kingdom contains prokaryotic cells without nucleus. Example: bacteria, blue-green algae, etc. Fungi are eukaryotic, but chlorophyll are not present, that they do not perform photosynthesis. They contain cell wall which is made up of a chitin. The protista also have unicellular organism which contains eukaryotic cells with developed nuclei. Example: amoeba, Euglena or Paramecia, etc. In the context of taxonomy, the term Mammalia is a, that is class. Mammalia is a class. For a suitable and easy way to study about living organism, it is important to classify the organism in different categories according to their characters. Mammalia belong to a class in classification. The nuclear membrane is absent in the cell of organism. Belong to which kingdom? The nuclear membrane is absent. The nuclear membrane is absent. The nuclear membrane is absent. The nuclear membrane is absent in the cell of organism. Belong to which kingdom? That is Monera. Monera kingdom that contains unicellular organism with a prokaryotic cell organism having no nuclear membrane, such as bacteria. They are single-celled organism with no true nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic organism. Characteristic of Monera. Monera are unicellular organisms. They contain 70 S ribosomes. The DNA is naked and is not bound by nuclear membrane. They reproduce by binary fission or budding. The vertebrae are a part of which of the following body system in humans? Spinal cord. The vertebrae are a part of spinal cord system in humans. Vertebrates include all the fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Generally, an organism is referred as a vertebrate if it has a spine. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerve and cells that extend from lower brain to lower back. The vertebrae are a part of spinal cord. Important है 2021 में आया है. The vertebrae are a part of which of the following body system in humans? The vertebrae are a part of spinal cord system in humans. Vertebrates include all the fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Generally, an organism is referred as a vertebrate if it has a spine. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerve and cell that extend from lower brain to lower back. Among the following taxonomy categories, which one occupies the highest place in the taxonomy hierarchy as compared to the remaining three? Order. All animals and plants are classified according to their similar and dissimilar characters. This system of classification deals in taxonomy. The word taxonomy was first used by Carolus Linnaeus in his book Systema Nature. He is considered as the father of taxonomy. The system of classification is as follows: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. सबसे पहले किया जाता है उनके किंगडम के आधार पर भी किस फाइव कौन कौन से किंगडम है? पापा एफएम, ठीक है, प्रोटेस्टा, प्लांट, एनिमेलिया, एफएम, फंगी, मोनेरा. इनके आधार पर पहले क्लासिफिकेशन किया जाता है, फिर फाइलम के, फिर क्लास के, फिर ऑर्डर, फिर फैमिली, फिर जीन्स, फिर स्पेसीज. Which of the following is true about chordates? Which of the following is true about chordates? That is, heart is ventral. Characteristic of chordates: single, hollow nerve and cord beneath dorsal surface in vertebrates. It differentiate into brain and spinal cord. Notochord, flexible rod on the dorsal side of gut, present at one stage in all chordates. Pharyngeal slits, pouches connect pharynx with outside. Posternal tail extend beyond anus, present at least in embryo, regresses into tailbone in humans. Segmentation reflected in arrangement of muscles, sometimes and in vertebral column, both mesoderm. Which of the following is true about non-chordates? That is, which of the following is true about non-chordates? That is, gill slits are absent. The non-chordata are organisms with no chordata, not cord rod like elastic structure that support the body. There are many lower species. It ranges from amoeba to snails, earthworms and sponges. Gill slits are absent in non-chordates. Vertebrate belongs to the phylum. अरे क्या हो रहा है आज? Vertebrates belong to the phylum Chordata. Vertebrate are distinguished कहाँ पे चले गए, हाँ ये vertebrates were distinguished from invertebrates as early as a few hundred years BC. The present zoological taxonomy classifies vertebrata as a subphylum of the phylum Chordata, together with two other invertebrates subphyla, Cephalochordata, lancellates, and Urochordata. Ascidians. All vertebrates belong to phylum Chordata. They include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Which botanist is credited with creating one of the first widely used natural system of plant classification, that is August Wilhelm Eichler. August Wilhelm Eichler. August Wilhelm Eichler is credited with creating one of the first widely used natural system of plant classification. He was German botanist who developed a new plant classification system to reflect the evolution concept. The Eichler system divided the kingdom of the plant into non-flora cryptogamy and flora pherogamy species. Which of the following is not a characteristic of chordates? Which of the following is a not characteristic of chordates? That is, the notochord is absent. Chordata fossils have been found early Cambrian explosion 541 million years ago. Five characteristic features of chordates present during some time of their life cycles are a notochord, a dorsal hollow tubular nerve cord, pharyngeal slits, endostyle thyroid gland, and a post-anal tail. The chordata, which include the vertebrate, the most evolved animal, as well as two other subphyla, tunicates and cephalochordates. Between a tiger and a monkey, which of the following is different? That is order. Both the tiger and monkey are animal of the phylum Mammalia and kingdom Animalia. Tiger come under order Carnivora, and monkey carnivora is who eat non-veg, who eat flesh. ठीक है, that is carnivore. And monkey comes under order primates. In carnivora, eutherian animal that include wolves, dogs, cats, raccoons, tiger, etc. And in order primates has traditionally been split into Possumi and Anthropoidea, large-brained monkey and apes including humans. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to chordates? A post-anal tail is absent, double ventral solid nerve देखो इम्पोर्टेंट है, 2022 में ही पूछा गया है. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to chordates? That is notochord is present. Notochord is present. Chordates are the animal of the phylum Chordata. In these types of animal, notochord is present. Animal kingdom Protozoa. Which of the following is not multicellular animal? That is amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled organism belong to Protozoa family, whose maximum species live in shallow pond water. Cat, human, and horse are multicellular animals. Amoeba belong to which of the following kingdom? Protista. According to Whittaker classification, amoeba and Euglena belong to kingdom Protista, as they are unicellular eukaryotes. Amoeba belong to the phylum Protozoa. Amoeba belong to the phylum Protozoa. Protozoa is an informal term for a group of single-celled eukaryotes, either free-living or parasitic, which feed on organic matter such as other microorganisms or organic tissue and debris. The word protozoa was coined by zoologist George August Goldfuss in 1818, and Entomobia histolytica belonged to phylum Protozoa, phylum which caused the amoebiasis in human. Which of the following organisms are considered to be both living and non-living? That is virus. A virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. Virus is considered as both living and non-living organism. Dmitry Ivanovsky discovered the virus in the tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. कौन? Dmitry Ivanovsky. Dmitry Ivanovsky discovered the virus in the tobacco mosaic virus disease in tobacco leaf in 1891. Sleeper animalcule is the common name for Paramecium. Sleeper animalcule is a common name for ciliated protozoa of the genus Paramecium. The term sleeper is used because their shape is like a sleeper, and animalcule term is represented the microscopic organism. Sleeper animalcule belong to phylum Protozoa. Pseudopodia refers to an arm-like projection filled with cytoplasm. Pseudopodia is a locomotory organ of amoeba. Amoeba move according to the movement of pseudopods. Is an arm-like structure filled with fluid cytoplasm and can be present anywhere of the body. Which of the following is not a multicellular organism? Paramecium. Organisms that contain many cells and form different organs to perform various functions are called multicellular organism. Fungi, Hydra and Spirogyra are multicellular, whereas Paramecium is unicellular organism which belongs to Protozoa phylum. Other unicellular organisms are amoeba, Euglena, Plasmodium and Trypanosome, etc. Which of the following is not unicellular? Hydra. Nuclear membrane is absent in organisms that fall under kingdom, that is Monera. Nuclear membrane is the outer membrane of nucleus that covers its found in eukaryotes, plants and cell. All prokaryotic organisms are kept under Monera kingdom. These are simple containing less cell organelles, nucleus without nuclear membrane and histone protein. Which of the following organisms belong to the kingdom Monera? Bacteria belong to the kingdom Monera. Which of the following is an example of unicellular organism? That is Euglena, amoeba and Paramecium. Protozoa are simple and unicellular in composition. These animals are considered to be the first animal of the universe. Protozoa are simple and unicellular in composition. These animals are considered to be the first animals of the universe. In these animals, propagation process is done by crypts, capsules or romans, while a respiration occurs by diffusion. Some examples of protozoa are amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena and Trypanosoma, Plasmodium, etc.